Hi, my name is Matt Moore, and I own EZ Dent here in Athens, Georgia, and we fix dents on cars. Today we're going to be talking about what happens when your car is involved in a hailstorm and how we can assist you with that repair. If your car is involved in a hailstorm, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to contact your insurance company and let them know when you were involved and that your car was damaged. Once you've filed your claim, your insurance may then offer you an initial estimate on your vehicle. This is usually just a placeholder and it's not normally super accurate. Once you bring it into our shop, we'll do a full assessment and find every bit of damage that we can find on the car that needs to be repaired. Some panels will need to be replaced, but a majority of these will be able to be repaired here in our shop using paintless dent repair. Once we've assessed the damage, our technicians will then begin disassembling your vehicle. This will include things like taking apart back panels, trim panels, hoods, insulators. We'll take down the headliner of the vehicle. This is all naturally part of the repair process, and it'll allow us to use paintless dent repair to bring your vehicle back to its pre-accident condition. Once we've disassembled and categorized all the parts, our technicians will then begin the repair process, and this typically takes a couple of days. After the paintless dent repair has been performed, our expert technicians will then completely reassemble your vehicle and bring it back to its original condition. This will include putting the car back together and installing any parts that may have been damaged in the initial impact and need to be replaced. When parts are replaced, we're going to use original manufacturer parts. We're going to be ordering those directly from the manufacturer of your vehicle so to guarantee that it fits properly, that it functions properly, and that it looks perfect. After the vehicle's been put back together, we'll do a final walkthrough, confirm that everything has been fixed perfectly. We're going to do a final quality control inspection. This will also include a post-diagnostic scan of your vehicle, just to make sure everything in the computer is working perfectly as well. Your vehicle will then be detailed and pulled around front, and it will look good as new. Although we hope your vehicle is not involved in a hailstorm, if it is, come by our shop here on Atlanta Highway at 4015 Atlanta Highway in Athens, Georgia. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.